Hello guys, if you are new in YouTube video advertising, then this video for you. You are the right place, and I will show you everything, how many ad formats they have and how the formats work. And I have another video how much actually YouTube cost for any video campaign and how they charge for any campaign. I will put the link in my description box, and you can see how actually YouTube video advertising campaign charge. And I have already spent more than 1000 Canadian dollar for my few video advertising campaign, and I get more conversion. And how can you launch your first video advertising campaign? So you can learn everything from this video tutorial. And here we see they have actually 6 different types of video advertising format for YouTube video advertising. And here we see this called display ads, overlay ads, and skippable ads, non-skippable ads, and bumper ads, and sponsors cards. So this is the 6 types. And displays, this is actually appear to the right of the feature video and above the video suggestion list for larger players. And this is the space actually they will need 300 by 250 or 300 by 60. And here you see how actually this video displays will appear in your PC or laptop. This is the size, and like this will appear in your advertising. And you can put a call to action. Here you see this guy actually put a call to actions called sign up, and if anybody click on that, they will go through. Here you see the link, they will go this website. And you can put your display ads like this, and you can put your website links, and you can get conversion from YouTube video advertising. And there have another ads called overlay ads. So guys, this is the second ad, overlay ads. And how can actually this is appear in YouTube videos, I will show you. Here you see what actually they say YouTube semi-transparent overlay ads that appear on the lower 20% portions of your video. So this will show only desktop. If you want mobile, this ads won't work. And here you see this will need 460 by 60 space and 720 by 90 space. And how it's actually appear in any videos, I will show you. Here you see I got another video. And here see how actually this is like a banner ads. If you are familiar with banner ads, so you can know how actually this. And you can remove these ads by clicking here. If you click here in the cross button, and here this will be removed, and you can put any link in here, so if you want. So this is the number 2 ad formats. And I'll show you another. And this is skippable video ads. Here you see skippable video ads allows views to skip after 5 seconds if they shows interest before, during, or after the main video. So this can play, this ad can play in the middle, or during, or after, or the start of the video. So this will actually accept desktop, mobile device, TV, and games consoles. So this is the most popular video advertising format, and people actually, as usual, this is actually use mostly, and this is most popular. This also called true view ads and skippable video ads. So after 5 seconds, if anybody click to skip, so YouTube won't cost for this advertisement. After 30 seconds, anybody watch this ads, they will only charge. And I will show you how actually this appear. And if you go any video here, just want to show you how actually this appear in your in any video editing video advertising campaign. Here you see. So just right now I just click on a video and this appear, and after 5 seconds I can click on skip. Here you see. And here you can put a call to actions, so they will go in your website. Here you see people can skip. So number 4 format is non-skippable video ads. So this is must around in 15 seconds. They actually telling you can create a commercial in 20 seconds, but they don't accept in 20 seconds. They only accept which commercial is 15 seconds. So make sure your non-skippable video format video ads around 15 seconds. And this actually only support in desktop, mobile device, and other device they don't accept this ads. And here you see how actually Google saying non-skippable video ads must be watched before your video can be viewed. These ads can appear before, during, or after the main video. So this video can people cannot actually skip, and this actually like something force to watch audience. So I don't think this video actually very good for video advertising, because you are forcing someone to watch your video advertising if they're actually not interested in your advertising. So it doesn't make sense, and this video format actually cost more for any video campaign, because this YouTube will show the right person, and forcefully they will show, so they will charge much for this campaign. And another one, bumper ads. So if you are on to actually increase your brand value, then this ads actually very popular, because this video ad format only for 6 seconds. You cannot get a advertising more than 6 seconds for this video campaign. And here is the desktop and mobile. So this campaign only play on desktop and mobile device, and play in video player up to 6 seconds long. So this is around 6 seconds. You cannot make a video longer than 6 seconds. So this is called bumper ads. So anytime this can appear in any YouTube videos, and audience must have to watch this ad also. And this also high CPC ads, and you can have to pay much for these ads. And sponsor cards. So sponsor cards are display content that may be relevant to your video, such as product feature in the video. And so this video format will also accept desktop and mobile, and card size varies. So this is how actually you see they look. And this is not most popular for video advertising. In here 6 types of video ad format. There is two is very popular in skippable video ads, and people generally place in video advertising. And this is also popular overlay ad in above of the video. So guys, if you find anything helpful from my video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching this